Welcome to my ThatMuffinART channel. Here a step-by-step guide to drawing beautiful flowers in a jar with a pencil. You need materials like HB pencil for outlining. You need eraser, drawing paper. Start by slightly or lightly drawing the shape of the jar. For a simple jar, sketch an oval shape for the mouth and then draw two vertical lines curving slightly inward, finished with a curved bottom to form the base of the jar. If you want to depict water in the jar, draw a slightly curved line inside the jar, about a third of the way up. Keep the curve gentle to mimic the surface of the water. From the inside of the jar, draw a few curved lines upward to represent the orchid stem. Orchids have thin, elegant stems, so keep your lines slightly and fluid. At the end of the one stem, sketch a circle as a guide for the first orchid flower. Orchids usually have 5 petals, so inside the circle, lightly draw a small oval in the center which will be the throat of the flower. Around the center, sketch 5 elongated petals. The top 3 petals are larger while the two sides are slightly shorter. Don't worry about making the petals perfectly symmetrical, as natural flowers have slight variation. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more tutorial. Around the center, sketch 5 elongated petals. Add a few more flowers on the other stems using the same technique. Orchids also have burrs, so add a few oval shapes along the stem. These should be smaller and have pointed ends. Go over your sketch and refine the details of the flower. Add folds or slight curves in the petals for a rhizome. Thicken the stem slightly where they connect to the flowers. Start shading the petals lightly with a 2B pencil. Thanks for watching this video.